Glace carrots. This is a classic dish. I've partnered them with diced potatoes and a steak and mushroom sauce. You can serve them with pretty much anything. Traditionally, the potatoes are turned into barrel shapes and they are cooked at least 2 or 3 portions at once. Here I've only cooked 1 portion. There is a fair bit of wastage, so make sure you save all the trimmings, use them to make vegetable soup or stock. As you can see, I'm cutting up all the carrots to uniform sizes, so cutting them into batons. And at the end, I'll have 100 grams of carrots. See how even those are. I'm mixing together the ingredients for the glaze. Okay, so a teaspoon of butter, a teaspoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of honey, and a little bit of salt. Okay, cook the carrots for a wee bit in some water, then tip the water in with the glacé ingredients to help melt those. Stir them around, put them back in the pan, put a lid on, cook it for a minute or 2, then remove the lid so you can reduce the cooking liquid down. You want the carrots to still be a little bit firm, whilst being soft enough to just bend a little bit, and you need the glaze to be reduced down and starting to colour. You can see it's starting to go brown a little bit on the right hand side of the pan. You don't want it to be brown, but you want it to be coloured a wee bit. Enjoy.